Orthopedics treats your musculoskeletal system, which is your bones and joints, the muscles, tendons, ligaments. The nerves control the muscles. So basically we treat your extremities and also your back.
Dr. Starynski has been an excellent addition to the medical staff. His addition has allowed us to have access to an orthopedic surgeon fairly rapidly, so appointments can be scheduled within a few days usually.
I accidentally dropped some heavy furniture on my foot. It wasn't a bruise, it was broken. I called the orthopedic group that I normally have dealings with back in the Milwaukee area, and they couldn't get me in for a week and a half. I called Moundview and asked if there was someone I could see there. And they recommended Dr. Starynski, and that he was available the next day. So I jumped on that opportunity, went to Moundview, and began my treatment with him.
We now have the ability here at Moundview Memorial Hospital to do a wide variety of orthopedic procedures. We try to treat people conservatively as possible. My personal philosophy is try to treat the cause of a problem instead of just covering it up with pain medicine or things like that.
Before seeing him every visit, he would take an x-ray and go over it with me to show me how I was progressing. As far as therapy is concerned, he told me I didn't need therapy. It had healed so well that the therapy he recommended was walking around the block. Just go outside and walk. The more I walked, the better it would get.
Had a little bit of an accident where I took a spill and ended up breaking my kneecap and tearing my patella tendon. My accident happened on Friday. Monday morning I was in to see Dr. Starynski, and the prognosis right then was he knew what it was and said surgery was imminent. Got me right into surgery. I think I had it the following Monday. Had it here local at Adams. It seems like it's mending where I can have more of an active lifestyle.
During that time, it was very nice to have the surgeon upstairs to keep in close contact with, rehabbing, getting that motion back and the strength back, getting back functional to where he needs to be has been a very smooth process.
All my life I've always did all my medical attention here with Moundview. It's nice to have local service here so you don't have to drive to go see your doctors. The appointments here at Moundview actually work out real well. I mean, you're in and out. You might show up here and have to wait 5-10 minutes, but that's probably the most. It's actually nice and close local. I'm only 5 minutes from work, so I can duck over here, do my therapy sessions, and get back to work.
Dr. Starynski has worked very closely with the providers as well as the therapy staff in occupational and physical therapy. The advantages for the patients are that they will be able to get a diagnosis and treatment all in one place and rapidly. It makes it very convenient for patients who would normally in the past have to travel 90 to 100 miles for the same services.
I usually start with some physical therapy for minor conditions, but if you come in the emergency room with a significant traumatic condition, we'll do surgery right away. We try to make people more mobile, fix them up, make them more functional, just doing their everyday things.
So in December of this year, I had a surfing accident. A wave hit me that was bigger than I could control myself in. The benefit to having everything done here was I was able to see him, have x-rays and an MRI, and schedule for surgery all in the same day. Dr. Starynski really took good care to make sure that everything was lined up well. I don't even have a bump where the bones are melding together, which is awesome. I'm not worried about this little bump in my life while I'm healing. What I'm worried about is when am I going to be able to go in the ocean again and do some more body surfing? Because that's really the big goal, is to keep on living and living at your fullest potential.